Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, here we are, all set and ready to go. Minus Clemence's chair that still needs to be put up, her bike that has to go in here, and the collapsible wagon. Yes, that all has to go in here, but it's going to work out. Underneath here, everything's completely packed. The trunk organizer with all of our stuff in it, that's here. My Blue Eddy extra battery, that is here. My toilet is standing up there. Behind here, I have my utility bin and my extension cord. As you know, this time I'm going to a state park, so I will be utilizing their power. This is my self-inflated camping mat. This right here is a moving blanket, and the reason I'm bringing that is I'm using it for a mat. It's really dense, and when I fold it, it'll stay put. In the event I have to sleep on the floor here or up there, it's going to work out great. My Jackery is fully charged, 100%. And right now it's only pulling 1 watt. My refrigerator's at 38. I need to turn that down a little bit, but it's full. We are ready to go. There, my granddaughter just got here. Oh my goodness, here she comes. What? Are you so excited? Oh, me too. That's my daughter, Shelby. Let's come over here and show everybody what we got. All right, everything's packed up here. 2 3-gallon containers of water here. We've got our food bin here. This is our little washing bin for dishes. I'm bringing a collapsible cooler, and Clem's so excited to be in her bed. Are you excited? Yeah? You've been waiting for this trip? Yes, you have. Okay, so here we have our chairs. All this stuff has to go in here, and I'll show you where that's going to go in a minute. And my RV mat here. Extra table. This is where our shoes go. Extra water. This is the wedge in the event we sleep up here. I don't know how that's going to go. This is my extra cord for my Jackery to be plugged in to my power source, so that's going there. So yeah, we've got a little bit more to do, but I'm going to get with you in a minute as we figure that out. Oh yes.
And this is Glory.
And he's coming with us. He's coming with us. So anyhow, hello everybody. Anyhow, that's my... She's used to it.
Like and subscribe right here.
Thank you, Shelby. Oh man, that's my number one.
That's me.
That's right.
And me.
And you. You're both my number ones. You're my number one grandchild, and she's my number one daughter. Anyhow, we are ready to go. Her bike! Exciting. All right, we'll be back in a flash. We're getting ready to take off. Mama's leaving. Clumsy Locks is coming with Nina.
Have the best time.
All right. Love you, honey. All right. We'll be in touch. Bye. Bye, Mom. See ya. All right. So here we are, halfway packed up, right? So we've got Clem's seat up right now, and that is where she's going to sit. We do have a car seat. She's bringing her Magic Treehouse books. And should we tell the world how smart you are? Well, Clemence Faye Violet got all her test scores back, and she is just going into the 2nd grade, but her levels are that of a 3rd grader.
And I have a 3rd grader reading.
Yes, you do have a 3rd grade reading level. We are very proud of her. So we're bringing books to read, and she's going to read to the boys, aren't you? I think that'll be great. All right, so we're going to get her bike in here, the wagon, and everything else. I still have to, there goes Shelby. I still have to, get this stuff in here, and I know it looks like a lot, but believe me when I tell you it's gonna fit. And this goes on your seat, Clem. Look at Nina Bacha. So you can color and do stuff and things won't roll off your lap. Cool, huh? All right, we're gonna get this van packed up, and we'll be back in a flash. All right, we're all set, ready to go. Clem's all buckled in. You ready to go, kid? Did you go to the restroom? You're all set? Are you coloring? Beautiful. Clem brings stuff to do in the van. She's very, very, very responsible with that stuff. All right, so let's see what we got here. This is a soft-sided cooler I decided to bring, and in it I have ice. And with that I have fruits, vegetables, and a watermelon. This came with my Hey Trip trunk organizer, and I'm glad I have it. When I'm done with it, I can just smush it away, and it's not taking up a ton of space. Refrigerator's hooked up to my Jackery right now. The Jackery is hooked up right here. And let's see, is this running? It is running. Let's see what we got here. It's pulling 36 watts right now to keep this cool, and it's right now 37 degrees in there, going down to 35, I do believe. All this stuff here tied in. So I've got my paracord, starts here, wrapped around everything nice and tight, and ends back there, so everything is stable. This is just a few snacks I have in here and my vitamins, which I totally forgot, just remembered. Nothing going on up here. But as you can see, I'm not completely packed out. I'm not, because I only bring what I need. So, and behind Clemence's seat there, there's nothing back there. There's nothing there because we're only bringing what we need, right, Clem? We're not cluttery van campers, are we? No, we're not. We are not cluttery van campers. We like organization. Okay, so back here, everything's tied in with paracord. The bed is tied in around the bars of the bed. All this stuff through the back is tied in. Ends here. This is my RV mat, my camping chair, Clem's camping chair, and that's what we have there. And over here, this is called Clem's Corner. What do you have over here, Clem?
Colored stuff, stuffed animals, water bottle.
Yep.
And there's a falling kite over there, and also glory, and then my horses.
Horses down here?
Yeah.
Yep, horses and some coloring stuff. So she's all set. She brings what she needs and she knows what she likes and she gets herself all set up. So she's very independent. The wedge, in case one of us sleep up here, I might sleep on the ground, not sure what's going on with that. This is a little tray for Clem's chair or the picnic table, so when we're doing crafts or something, things don't fly away. These are all our shoes, an extra 3 gallons of water. My cords to the Jackery and Bluetti are under here, and our first aid kit is that little red speck over there. It's not little, but that's all you can see. But that's our first aid kit, and we are all set. So are you ready to go, lady? Yes, we are so excited. Who are we meeting there?
Ben, Toby, and Miss Susie.
And Miss Susie. They're our friends, and they go band camping with us. And where are we going? Do you remember when we get after we get to the park?
Michigan Adventure.
Michigan Adventure. That's our favorite place to go. All right, everyone. You have a fabulous day. We will catch you later. Until next time.